Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to put Ford F150 in brake service mode, easy method. Park the truck on level ground, set the parking brake, and shift into neutral. Turn the ignition to the run position without starting the engine. Hold steady pressure on the brake pedal while actuating the caliper brake release or using the brake service switch. Verify caliper pistons are retracted before removing brake components for service. Locate the brake service switch or caliper release on the driver's side or under the hood. Use gloves and a small flat tool if needed to depress the release. If your truck uses a dashboard brake service mode, use the instrument cluster menu to engage it. Confirm the brake pedal feels soft and calipers are free before proceeding with pad replacement. Take photos for reference and keep track of bolts and hardware in a labeled container. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more step-by-step guides and quick tips. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear them working on trucks and they stay comfortable and durable. Check the description for the link and other deals and to support creators you enjoy. Now let's get back to the video. Place a block of wood or a piston tool against the caliper piston face. Slowly compress pistons back into the caliper using the appropriate tool, keeping the brake fluid reservoir cap loosened and monitored. Have a helper hold the brake pedal when using the switch method to prevent pressure spikes. After pistons are fully retracted, clean mating surfaces, inspect rotors, and install new pads. Test brake pedal firmness before lowering the truck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.